Hey guys, it's Pippi with Simple Trading Plus. I want to take a quick minute and show you how to close part of a trade or portion of a trade in MT4. There's a couple times you might want to do this. You might want to do it when you want to take partial profits from a trade and then move your stop loss to break even or greater, and then let the rest of your trade go to see if it'll give you a little bit more on the second portion of your trade, making it a risk-free trade. Another time you might want to do this is if you've placed a trade and you've accidentally used a lot size that was too big, you've risked too much. You can then close a portion of your trade rather than closing the entire trade to get your risk down to the level you'd like it to be. So here you can see we have a pound US dollar trade running. I'm currently 9 pips in the profit, 9 or 10 pips in the profit. Say I'd like to close part of it. What I do is on my trade tab, I double click on that order number. I've risked $5 a pip on this trade. Let's say I want to close half of it. So I'll change that to 0.25 on the lot size, and then this yellow close button. I'll click that, and it will close a portion of my trade. If I go to my account history, on the account history tab down here, there's the profit of $24.75 from the portion of the trade that I closed. If you go back to the trade screen, you can see that I still have part of my trade going at a lot size of 0.25 because I closed 0.25 of my trade that had a lot size of 0.5 originally. Okay? And now I can move my stop loss, say it was way down here, right? Now I can move my stop loss into the profit. Maybe I'll move it up there 2 pips in the profit. Okay? So now this trade can either keep going in my favor or it'll go back down and hit my stop loss, which is now called a stop profit because it wouldn't be a loss, it would just be a slight win. Okay? The other thing you might want to know about closing trades is at any time you can press this little X next to your trade and that will close it at the current price. So I'm 10 pips, 11 pips up right now. I decided, hey, I'm happy with my profit. I'm just going to close it, right? Or if you don't want to do that, you can just move your stop up even further. Maybe I'll move it to 10 pips and see if it wants to give me a little bit more. So now if it goes back down and hits this, I'm automatically going to get that 10 pips. Or it could keep going up and maybe I'll get a little bit more. Okay? But regardless, I could either do that or I could just press this X. My trade is closed. If I go to my account history, there's the profit from the second half of my trade. So I made a little bit more on the second half of my trade than I did on the first half. As always, let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to trading with you guys. Thanks for watching.